Have you ever wondered why you feel so tired lying in bed at night? Why your mind just won't calm down? Maybe it's your smartphone, the TikToks, the endless Instagram stories, and the brutal sensory overload you're exposing yourself by constantly scrolling. Even so, you are an incredibly intelligent being. Your brain simply isn't built to process a new stimulus every few seconds. That causes a release of dopamine in such huge amounts that the consequences can be devastating for your life. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter essential for motivation and reward. In moderation, it makes us feel good, but constant release leads to dopamine resistance. And that means that you need more intense stimuli just to get the same amount of dopamine. Your brain now constantly is chasing the next reward, and it becomes harder and harder to enjoy the simple things of daily life. Believe me, that's not a road you want to go down. Rhythm can help you to break free from this digital prison. Want to know how? Then watch this video until the end, because there I will guide you through a simple experience that helps you to balance with breath. Hi, I'm Reinhard Flatischler, and I truly enjoy creating new content for you around the topic of rhythm, showing you how rhythm can lead you to health, inspiration, and greater awareness. If you enjoy this video, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell so you won't miss any valuable practice or insights. And if you're curious about the Taketina method, subscribe to the free beginners course I have linked for you below. Everything is rhythm, including light. Your screen, for example, emits blue light, and that is light with high frequencies. These frequencies directly affect the production of melatonin, your sleeping hormone. Blue light suppresses melatonin, and if you're scrolling through TikTok for hours in the evening, you're basically telling your brain, it's daytime. You can't relax, you sleep poorly, you wake up exhausted, and the entire sleep rhythm gets thrown off. Now, there is a simple solution. Go offline 1 hour before you go to bed, and use that time to bring your breath into a rhythmic flow. Thousands of years ago, Indians developed pranayama, which translates into breath exercise or expansion of life energy. It's a part of yoga, and all the more complex pranayama exercise should only be done with an experienced teacher. But here I will show you a very simple exercise that you can try on your own without any risk. And what I show you here is a practice that many high performers are engaging in before a concert, a race, or any important situation. It's a simple 4-part rhythm. Inhale, hold. Exhale, hold. You can also experience it as 4 different states. Letting happen, air flows into your lungs. Letting be, holding the breath with tension in relaxation. Letting go, air flows out, and then again letting be, holding the breath, this time in total relaxation. Of course, all of this should happen in rhythm, and the easiest rhythm is a 4-beat cycle, in which most people feel comfortable if each phase lasts approximately 4 seconds. But you can forget about time. You will be guided by sound. Just listen to it and let me guide you into the breathing exercise. As you hear that sound, first just take a couple of free breaths, a deep breath. Imagine how you can inhale all the energy, and with the exhalation let go of what you don't need, tension, thoughts. And whenever you're ready, connect your breath with the sounds. Inhaling with that sound, holding the breath in tension but relaxed. Now exhale and let it again come to a still point. Inhalation, holding tension in relaxation. Exhalation, holding. And you can connect it with allowing to happen, and the breath comes in. Letting it be, letting it go, and again letting it be. Inhalation, holding tension in relaxation. Exhalation, letting completely go. Return to letting be. And whenever you're ready, I invite you to connect inhalation with the arm movement going up, both of your hands. Here, both hands go apart. With the exhalation, both arms sink down, and finally, they come together again. Rising both arms, moving apart with holding, moving down with your exhalation and returning. Inhalation, holding and expanding to left and right. Letting go, exhalation, sinking down and returning by holding again. And very gradually allow these movements to become smaller. Moving up a little less, then moving apart again a little less. Moving down, coming together again. Inhalation, holding your breath, tension in relaxation. Exhalation, letting go, and again coming together. With every cycle, let the movement become smaller. Let the movement go inwards as you come together here again. Inhalation. And the movement expanding to the left and right here and down becomes more and more a feeling, an inner sensation. Even smaller the movements, holding, expanding, down by releasing your breath and coming back together. Now as you hear those sounds to gradually fade more and more into stillness. Let it help you to become even smaller with your movement up. The sensation of expanding to the left and right. Sensation of going down, releasing. Sensation of coming together. And finally see if it's possible, together with your breath, to have these movements just present as inner movements. And whenever you feel and the sounds are really almost faded, just return to normal breathing. I hope you already feel calmer and more in sync with yourself. And that's another essential point. When you are on social media, you're constantly bombarded with the illusion of a perfect life. Success, beauty, happiness. And suddenly, without realizing, you might start to believe, oh, maybe I'm not good enough. In reality, you're just watching a world that doesn't even exist. Meditation and rhythm exercise have the power to guide you to your authentic self. And Taketina can be a great support on this journey. That's why I will be offering you life experiences on this channel again and again. If you enjoy it, please subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss out on new information or experiences. And if you'd like to get started right away, sign up for the free beginner course I've linked for you below. I wish you lots of joy and keep on grooving.